Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful kiddies dress you see on the screen right here. So I've gone ahead to cut my fabric, both the half length and the down part, and this is the down part. It's like a circle. Down now, and I've added my interface, that is peplum stay. That's what I added to it. You cut it exactly the same with the flare. Both the lining and the main fabric and the interface will be the same thing. Now I'll go ahead to secure it with my pin so that it doesn't shift while sewing it. After this, I'll go to my sewing machine to sew it round. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to join my half length. I'll be joining the front and the back half length. Now I'm sewing it invisible stitches. That is the side will not show the stitches. The stitches will not show. Now I've gone ahead to join both the front and the back, both the main fabric and the lining. So the next thing I will do now is to put the strap at the back so that I can sew the neckline, the back neckline and the front neckline. I can join both the lining and the main fabric. For putting the strap, you just come down by 2 inches from your shoulder. Come down by 2 inches. Now head over to my sewing machine to join the front neck and the back neckline. So I'll just notch it so that after turning it, it will not have an issue. After this, you give it a good press. You iron it. You iron it well. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to join the shoulder. So I've gone ahead to join the shoulder. The next thing I'm going to do now is to trim the armhole. So I'm trying to trim off the excess. So the next thing I'll do now is to use my pin to secure the half length so I can join the down part of this dress. So for the down part, I've gone ahead to secure the waist side so that it will not shift while joining it. Now I will join it to the half length. So before that, I will have to trim it off to trim the waist. So don't forget, while joining this to the half length, don't forget to give it a little pleat. When you get to the front, you pleat it. At the back, you pleat, because the waist is a bit bigger than the half length, the actual half length. Now this is the final result we have. Not really the final result, we've not added the sleeve. I've gone ahead to join the down parts, to close the down part, and also fix my zip. So the next thing we're going to do is to fix the sleeve. It's going to have something like gathers at the top, and the down will have elastic. Now I'm going to create a channel to pass my elastic. So the next thing I'll do now is to fix the elastic, then close the sleeve and fix it to the main dress. So this is the final result of this dress. I've gone ahead to join the sleeve to the main dress and also passed the elastic to the sleeve. So what I'm doing now is to trim off any thread, anywhere I see thread, any excess. Also, I've also gone ahead to weave it, like to interlock it. Okay guys, let's see the final look of this dress on my mannequin. So this is the final look of this dress. So if you've watched this video to this extent, that means you are interested in this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I post another video. Bye.